Hey, if you're a business owner, marketing manager, marketing consultant, or owner of a digital marketing agency, and you're looking to generate leads using Google Ads, you're in the right place. Hi, my name's Ed. I'm the co-founder here at Clicks Geek. We're a premier partner agency within the Google Ads ecosystem. In layman's terms, what that means is we manage a great deal of ad budget, but more importantly, we're very efficient with how we manage that budget for clients and yield them the best return possible. Out of the, 30, 40, 50, 100,000 marketing agencies in the world, I think we're one of a couple hundred in that program. So we're really proud of that fact. The reason I tell you that is because we're really efficient at generating Google Ad leads. So if you are a business owner or marketing manager within that business and you're looking for Google Ads management, there's a link below that you can click on that'll walk through what that service is all about and how it might work for your business. If you're a marketing agency and you're looking for white label PPC help, there's a link down below that'll walk through pricing. It'll go through our white label guide, a whole video series on how it works and why it might be a good fit for your business. Last but not least, if you're looking to in-house this and learn the skill of properly building and managing and optimizing Google ad campaigns, we sell digital marketing courses and training courses on Google Ads management, landing pages, and a few others that walk you through step-by-step, beginner to expert level on how to do this stuff effectively for your business or for your agencies and for your clients. So I hope this helps. Again, my name is Ed Stapleton. I'm the co-founder here. If you have any questions, just give us a buzz up top. There's a button. There's a phone number somewhere around there. You could always shoot us an email. I hope you enjoy the site. There's full of lots of good content. If you have any other questions, just let us know. Have a great day. Thank you.